Welcome back. Got a couple trays here. I have a thing in the morning and I really just want to unmold this one, but I'm gonna come around so I can do all three because I figure they were done at the same time, so I might as well do them all together. So this one and the rolling tray are custom requests, and I'm hoping it comes out some semblance of what I had in mind. The bottom looks good. Oh, okay, this looks actually not like I expected, but it looks like a gem. Do I need to go over? I might need to go over the inside a little bit more. They wanted a rainbow set. I was going for, well, originally they wanted pink, so I was thinking pink around the top and then rainbow in the middle. But since purple is a part of the rainbow, it just made it mostly purple. And then a layer of the rest of the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And then you got like a hint of purple here. And you can see them all in here: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. This looks really nice. And I love that it came out so nice and smooth. It's like gemmy. I think I'm gonna put, just for my own peace of mind, another layer, like a very thin layer of resin on the inside, because I see some of the powder didn't settle and it looks like there might be like an open spot here. But other than that, this looks really good. Actually, I might not even need to, but just for my own peace of mind, I might still, but this looks really good. Like, I'm here for it. All right, so let's see. I did the same thing with the rolling tray. So let's see how this came out. Oh yeah. Okay, the rolling tray, you get to see more of the colors on the inside. I did the same thing, like I said, the purple on the top with the glitter. But you see like the red, yellow, green, blue, orange, and then the purple is like the border here. I'm fucking with it. Yeah. Need to clean up the edges a little bit, but other than that, this one looks good to go. And I think this one also needs just one more layer on the inside here, just a very thin layer, because I see some air bubbles. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some air bubbles, and we don't want that when people are using this for what they're using it for. So that's those two. I can put that there. And now this is the one I really wanted to take out, because I'm gonna try and sell this at a market tomorrow. Even though this was kind of like a last minute accident. Not accident, but I didn't want to waste the resin that was left over from these two, and I didn't know what else to make, and I was doing something else, and I was like, oh, this looks really, oh my gosh, hold on. Oh, this looks really good against the black. Oh my gosh, look at this. I really like this. This looks so good. I gotta put some more purple powder in there, but this looks so good. Okay, so I won't be able to bring this tomorrow because I definitely need to go over this. There's some air bubbles. That's probably the downside to like doing this design, is that, oh, this looks so fucking good. This looks so good. I really love this. Like how the inside, you got like the dripping there, and then some of it's on the outside here. Not much on this side, but like, I love this. I'm putting this on the internet as soon as I put this extra layer of resin on it. But yeah, I need to drop some. The issue with dropping the powder on the mold first is when you put the resin on, it's such a thick, not even if it's a thick drop, but just because there's a layer separating it, the resin doesn't go into the powder. It doesn't necessarily penetrate the depth of the powder. So I probably need to do thinner splatters when I'm doing this, because I plan on doing more like this. But this looks so good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use like the eyedropper to get like in the corners for all of these, because it has all of these little, I'm in love. And yeah, you can see where I dripped it in here. I could probably do another one in it with the remainder so we can like clean it out. I might actually do that. But come back around here. All right, so I'm very happy with these. They all need an extra layer, so I guess it's kind of pointless on doing these right now because I can't do what I wanted to do, which was take it out to the market. But I am very pleased. But this gives me time though, so that after the market tomorrow, if I have time, I can do an extra layer, or even before it, depending on what time I wake up, I can do a thin, just a small batch of resin, put a layer in each of these, and drip 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 on that one, and then we should be good to go. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you check out all of the unboxings, all of the unmoldings. Check out the podcast. All the podcast episodes are here on YouTube. And just like everything else we do at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates. Whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye!